Hi guys, there we go.
Tinitingnan ko pa lang, tinatanong ko 750.
I know it's pretty
Sabi niya,
big,
nung lalaki, 750.
but let's get
We'll get
this.
it. Nakakakotot, bigla-bigla. Bilis ako.
Very good.
Sabi ko,
Good in there.
bigla-bigla ka.
Can you guys see me good?
Ha?
Okay, if you guys can, like and like.
Ay, hindi yun. Naka-short kami, summer. Summer in Florida.
Okay, I have
Ganda,
this.
diba? Oh, ay di ka mahilig ako sa mga ganito.
Ooh.
Ang
Okay.
aming handa ay ito, oh, pizza. Pero mahal.
Okay. I have this deck
Ano to?
holder.
Italian talaga.
I got this deck
Alam mo ba ito,
holder.
tatlong ito ay $60.
Free deck holder.
Fine dining. Saka may pasta kami
Okay.
binigay ko na sa red kasi
Like, what's your cell phone?
may pasta
I don't know.
kami nilalagay ko na dyan.
Okay, here we go.
Mo ba ang cellphone niya?
There we go. There's like and there's the Alolan Raichu.
Where's the cellphone?
This right here. There we go. Like manuals, a lot of manuals.
Bibilis, picture na bilis.
Game stuff, we don't really need that. I'm just gonna do trading. And now the Alolan Raichu and the Lycan Rock.
Manang,
And the
bumili
Lincoln
kami
Rock.
ng avocado ng kutsi, oh.
Okay, guys, here we go.
750.
Just so you guys know,
1-2 siya, pero nakasale siya. 750 lang.
I got
750.
an Alolan Raichu small Pokemon coin, like that.
Ay,
Okay.
hindi, wag ko na may papakita. Ano, i-screenshot na ba?
Now, guys, it's time to open this. How do I open this?
Si Maray, oh, ang pogi ng
Just
Maray na
swipe
yan.
up to open.
Maray!
Swipe up on the back or front to open. Here we go.
Oh, ay, dito ako masaya.
There we go. An Alolan Raichu.
Loxitan!
Oh! Looks like I got... Mommy, look what I got. Okay, I'm showing my mom that I got a Pikachu. I got a Pikachu, Mom. There we go, guys. You got a Pikachu right here after the Alolan Raichu. And energy.
Wala yan, asymptomatic.
Togedemaru.
Maganda talaga pag
A Great
vaccinated.
Ball. Energy. Howl. Hello, Howl. A Drowsy. A Great Ball. Another Energy. Another Howl. Oh, look at that. It's a Beware. Another Alolan Raichu. A Grubbin. A Potion. Another Pikachu.
Ano, lakas na lakas niya, no?
A Spearow. An Energy. A Zubat. Another Energy. Another Energy. Another Energy. Another Energy. A Golbat. Another Energy.
Oo nga, yan sa tigin. Kung ano,
A Stuffle.
natapurman yan sa tigin.
And another Energy. Another Energy.
So,
Another Energy. Another. And it looks like we're through this deck. Anyway, guys, it's time to look in the other.
gagamitin ko na ganito
deck.
bukas. Magdadala kami sa beach.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Sa
Swipe down.
Ha?
Here we go.
May?
Lycan.
Oo, may strap.
We have a Lycan Rock.
Oh,
Ooh,
hindi,
Rock
hindi siya
Rock.
black. Ano siya? Dark blue? Midnight blue?
Another an energy. I left it on there.
Hindi black and white.
A big
Midnight blue.
Maladasa.
Mas maganda black kasi hindi ka black.
An energy.
Blue ba?
A great ball. Another energy.
Ha? Marmot ba?
A how.
Ay, ito nga ang nangyari. Mahaba kasi
Okay,
ang
guys,
pinag-
this is
hindi kita
this is the Apple Watch I was telling you guys about. It's actually mine, and I might be featuring it in some of my other videos also.
Hinawakan ko lang
Just
ito.
look at
Sabi
Nate's
ko,
Super World to see
sabi ni Reyna,
other
sabi
videos,
ng lalaki niya, "Oh,
like
Marco,
this one.
750 na lang,
A
is better."
toucanon, a great ball,
Oh, we'll get that. Ano ka
an
kapag-
energy,
Pero it's maganda
a
naman talaga.
how, a makuhita, another energy,
Ha?
another lycronaut,
Oo.
a peaky peck,
Oo nga.
another rock ruff,
Diba?
a stage 1 fetch finder,
Dadalawa nga daw ito sa store.
young
Dadalawa pa lang.
goose,
Mararating lang ika yan, bago lang yan, sabi.
fetchling, another energy,
Oo, at least kita.
another energy, another energy. What? What?
Oo nga, yung
No.
Ha?
No. Another energy, another energy,
Open this one.
another energy,
Open this one, Nay.
a trumbeak,
Masaya, oh.
another energy,
Lipstick.
another energy,
Ito ang play ko.
a caterpie,
May bag.
and it looks like
Sa'yo agad. Sa'yo agad.
we're done with this deck.
Bibigyan ko kayo. Marami pa ako doon sa bahay.
Now, guys.
Hindi mo naubos.
I have a question for you all.
Ito,
Rate both of these packs out of 10 and put them in the
bigyan ko si
comments.
mama ng isang lipstick nito. Pula po.
Okay.
Pula. Ang pula. Na lipstick. Pinili ko mga pula. Pero fruit. Ito, gusto mo ito? Oh, sige. Magkano ito?
Okay, guys. If you guys are done with rating these, you can get these at Walmart and
Hindi,
Kohl's,
large yun.
probably on Amazon. Sun and Moon Trainer Kit. Just look for it. Okay, guys?
Sabi ni Aisa.
Guys, ready?
Sabi ba ni Aisa?
Let's get into my ratings. Let's go.
Ah, si Vicky.